Hello and welcome to this video about the Shiretoko Peninsula in northeastern Hokkaido, Japan. It's a pleasure to have you here with me. Shiretoko Peninsula is located in northeastern Hokkaido, Japan. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is known for its stunning natural beauty and abundant wildlife. Here are some details about Shiretoko Peninsula. Location: the peninsula is located on the northeastern coast of Hokkaido, the northernmost of Japan's four main islands. Natural beauty: Shiretoko Peninsula is home to some of Japan's most beautiful natural landscapes, including rugged coastlines, dense forests, and towering mountain peaks. Wildlife: Shiretoko is also known for its abundant wildlife, including brown bears, deer, foxes, and a variety of bird species. The waters around the peninsula are home to a diverse array of marine life, including orcas, humpback whales, and sea lions. Hiking trails: there are several hiking trails on Shiretoko Peninsula that offer stunning views of the surrounding scenery. One popular trail is the Kamuiwakka Falls Trail, which leads to a beautiful waterfall. Boat tours: visitors can also take boat tours around the peninsula to view the marine life and coastline from the water. Weather: the weather on Shiretoko Peninsula can be quite harsh, with heavy snowfall in the winter and cool temperatures even in the summer. Conservation efforts: due to its unique natural beauty and abundant wildlife, Shiretoko Peninsula has been designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and efforts are being made to preserve and protect the area's fragile ecosystem. Overall, Shiretoko Peninsula is a stunningly beautiful and ecologically rich area that is well worth a visit for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Sure, here are some of the most popular photo spots in the Shiretoko Peninsula along with their specific location names. Shiretoko Five Lakes: this series of 5 small, clear lakes is located about 30 minutes by car from Utoro town. The lakes offer stunning reflections of the surrounding mountains and are particularly beautiful in the autumn months. Kamuiwakka Falls, Kamuiwakka, located near the coast in the southwest of the peninsula. Kamuiwakka Falls is a 120-meter high waterfall that flows into a natural hot spring pool. The falls are particularly picturesque in the winter when they freeze over and create a stunning ice formation. Shinchitose Falls, Shinchitose no Tachi. This 60-meter high waterfall is located near the Shiretoko Pass and is known for its dramatic drop into a narrow gorge. The falls are particularly beautiful in the autumn months when the surrounding trees turn red and gold. Furape Waterfall, Furape no Tachi. This 20-meter high waterfall is located near the coast in the southeast of the peninsula. The falls are surrounded by a lush forest and offer stunning views of the Sea of Okhotsk. Shiretoko Pass: this mountain pass offers stunning views of the surrounding mountains and valleys. It is located about 45 minutes by car from Utoro town and is particularly beautiful in the autumn months when the leaves turn red and gold. Rausu Lake: this large lake is located near the town of Rausu on the eastern side of the peninsula. It is known for its crystal clear waters and stunning views of the surrounding mountains. Shiretoko Peninsula Coastline: the entire coastline of the Shiretoko Peninsula offers stunning views of the Sea of Okhotsk and the surrounding mountains. Some particularly beautiful spots include Rausu Cape, Shiretoko Cape, and the Furape Peninsula, Furape Hondo. I hope you find this information helpful for your trip to Shiretoko. Here are the general steps to get to the Shiretoko Peninsula from Shinchitose Airport. 1. From Shinchitose Airport, take a train to Sapporo Station. There are several train options available, including the Junior Rapid Airport Express and the Hokkaido Chuo bus. The journey takes approximately 36 to 40 minutes and costs around 1,200 yen. 2. From Sapporo Station, take a train to Kushiro Station. The train journey takes around 4 hours and costs around 8,000 yen. Alternatively, you can take a domestic flight from Sapporo to Kushiro Airport, which takes around 1 hour and costs around 10,000 yen. 3. From Kushiro Station or Kushiro Airport, take a bus to Utoro town in the Shiretoko Peninsula. The journey takes approximately 3 hours and costs around 3,000 yen. Buses are operated by several companies, including Akan Bus and Shari Bus. Alternatively, you can rent a car at Kushiro Station or Kushiro Airport and drive to the Shiretoko Peninsula. The journey takes around 4 hours and requires driving on the winding mountain road, so it is recommended for experienced drivers. Thank you for watching this video and learning more about the stunning beauty and abundant wildlife of the Shiretoko Peninsula. I hope you found this information helpful in planning your trip. Safe travels and enjoy your adventure in Shiretoko.